Welcome back. NGO Human Rights Defenders has accused Chief Minister of turning a blind eye towards an illegal DLF project of Robert Vadra at Resmagos. NGO claims Chief Minister Parrikar is hand in glove with Sonia Gandhi's builder, son-in-law Robert Vadra. The NGO has also alleged that Porvorim police is shielding town planner Vertiga Dagur, who has illegally approved Phase 1 project. Human Rights Defenders has demanded to stop the construction work immediately and revoke project license.
President of NGO Human Rights Defenders, Edwino Fernandes, claims that when Manohar Parrikar was leader of opposition, he had supported the agitation by the villagers against DLF's Resmagos project. But after coming into power, he has taken a U-turn.
Or there is a nexus between DLF, Robert Vadra and the BJP government in Goa. This has to be clarified by our Chief Minister. And so, for the probe to be conducted without fear and the culprit to be prosecuted in accordance with law.
Edwino Fernandes has alleged that DLF has fraudulently shown a plot of land belonging to Comunidad of Nerul in its architectural plan. Fernandes further alleged that town planner Vertiga Dagur purposely ignored the fraud and approved the project in the year 2008.
Without checking the original survey plan and the Form 1 and 14, the Phase 1 project of DLF was approved by the town planner Ms. Vertiga Dagur due to her willful negligence and flouting of rules and regulations. The fact is that this part of survey number 103/1, which is measuring 332 square meters, belongs to the Nerul Comunidad. And DLF had fraudulently shown on its architectural plan that this part belongs to them.
Edwino Fernandes also alleged that Porvorim police is shielding town planner Vertiga Dagur, but if police does not take any action against her, he will approach the court. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Goa Carbon Limited, one India's leading producer of calcined petroleum coke, on Monday stopped production in Goa due to shortage of raw material, green cess and market recession. Company says they have a problem while acquiring raw material in Goa and their major market in Europe is under recession, and 2% green cess laid by the state government has further aggravated the situation.
Goa Carbon Limited is a part of Dempo Group of companies. Goa Carbon Limited plant is situated at San Jose de Ariel in Salcete. Company is a leading producer of calcined petroleum coke. For last 3 years, company has been facing various problems. Production at Goa Carbon plant has come down to 25,000 tons from 75,000 tons per year. Company will restart production once demand for calcined petroleum coke is generated. Goa Carbon Limited's Purushottam Mantri gave various reasons why company is facing hardship.
The issue is there are a lot of our finished goods are still lying at the plant. Unless that is sold, we cannot restart the plant. The export market is down. Goa plant cannot supply to domestic market. This product goes to aluminum industry, and most of the aluminum industries are in Eastern India. So it is not feasible for Goa plant to transport that from Goa to, because most of the Orissa and all things, the prices are not feasible. Goa state, now there is the additional green cess, which is 2%, which is adding to the cost. There is a ban for last 1.5 years by pollution board for coke and coal. We try to import through Jaigarh port or Karwar, but which adds to again cost.
Operation of Goa Carbon Limited will remain closed for 8 to 9 months this year. However, Goa Carbon Limited says they have taken care of their employees during this close down.
Whenever there is an opportunity, we bring material, we produce. But if you see the historically last 2-3 years, it is 3-4 months it is working, plant is working, manufacturing, 7-8 months it is closed. Other plant, this selling, export relation, all these things they are also facing. But however, Goa has additional.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with Dinesh Karpe and Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Horticulture Corporation served notices to 137 horticulture outlet vendors for violating terms and conditions. Some of them were fined too. Corporation has 814 vendors across the state.
There is also rate बरयता, vegetable rate, विकपाचो rate. आता एक पावटी ते लोक ते वेजिटेबल रेट बदलता आनी आमकां ते जेन्ना कळून येता आमचे इन्स्पेक्टर जेन्ना वता तेन्ना आमी तांकां सांपळायता आनी तांकां पेनल्टी आसता. पयलो पावटी सांपडलो जाल्यार तांकां आमी नोटीस दिता वॉर्निंग दिवन. दुसरी पावटी सांपडलो जाल्यार ताका 2000 रुपया फायन आसा. तिसरी पावटी सांपडलो जाल्यार 5000 रुपया फायन आसा. आनी लास्ट परत तेच करता जाल्यार आमी तो विथड्रॉ करता.
Some of the vendors are involved in malpractices.
2 किलोचे वयर दिसाक बंधन आसा तेज्या वयर दिवपाक. आतां तेज्या वयर म्हणटू ते दिले जाल्यार एक पावटी ते हॉटेलांत व्हरता, एक पावटी ते बाजारांत वचून विकता. कित्याक आमचे दराचे आनीक बाजाराचे दर भरपूर फरक आसता.
Vendors get the commission on the sale and the profitable margins are sizable. Still, aiming for high profits, they get involved in malpractices.
चड फायदो जायन श्रीमंत जावपाक फायदो आसा तांकां आमी कमिशन दिताच विकता म्हणून. अप टू 20% कमिशन दिता तांकां आमी. पूण तरी आसतना ते आपणाचे तेंची मातशें आस जाता पयशे बेगीन जोडपाचे.
Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
In a major truck accident at Ambora Rai, 3 persons were seriously injured. A truck carrying wooden husk turned total on a tea shop. Owner of the shop, Nilesh Karpe, one woman, Nifa Dice, and 12-year-old girl, Naomi Dice, were trapped in the shop and got seriously injured. People were angry as rescue operations were delayed.
All 3 remained under the truck for over 2 hours before being rescued. The speedily overloaded truck turtled and rammed into a tea shop at Ambora Kamolli Raya. By then, 3 persons got trapped inside the shop. Locals tried hard to rescue them, but efforts could not materialize as there was little space left between the shop and truck to rescue them unhurt. Within few minutes, large crowd had gathered at the scene, but locals were upset as disaster management team reached late at the site, thereby delaying the rescue efforts. After almost 2 hours, all 3 were rescued and shifted to hospital. Traffic on the route also got paralyzed after this accident. This stretch at Ambora Raya has become a major accident-prone zone. Savio Dias for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.